Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can recover or restore Duolingo streaks. So for that, what you have to do is open your Duolingo application. And as you do that, you can see that I have 2 streaks going on, but then you can see that this is not visible, as in it has been frozen because I have been taking some gaps while practicing my Duolingo classes. If you would like to restore it, all you have to do is play a language test. In my case, I have chess right here. So for some reasons, if I finish this, I will be able to restore my streaks because as you can see, it has been frozen. So I started on 11, it frozen 12, 13 I did it, 14, 15, 16 is frozen. If you would like to restore it, you have to play it right away. But if it has been more than a week, then unfortunately, you cannot restore your Duolingo streaks. So bottom line, it should be less than 1 week, either that be 4 or 5 days, and you will be able to recover it. All you have to do is play a game or learn a language. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.